Lesson 2. Prepare the candidate. The assessor shall introduce herself.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Doctorate Memorial Institute Foundation Incorporated, your accredited assessment center for food and beverage services Institute. I am Efren Diaz, and I am an accredited competency assessor for the qualification of FBS Institute. So, I have here my ID with my accredited number as a proof of my accreditation. I would like to acknowledge the presence of Ms. Tridin Pabon, our processing officer. Thank you. Ms. Argeline Vete, our assessment center manager. Ms. Charmaine Rogando, our TESDA provincial office representative. You don't have to worry about their presence. They are here to oversee the conduct of the competency assessment and to check if the conduct is in accordance with the prescribed competency assessment methodology and procedure. They will not assess you. I will be the one to assess you. So, at this moment, I am going to check your attendance. When I call your name, please present me your admission slip, Ms. Joanna Falcon. Ms. Chelsea Valerie. Can you pass your admission slip? So, I have here with me your accomplished application form with self-assessment guide. So, this is an indication that you can perform all units of competency enumerated in Food and Beverage Services NC2.